NASA Regolith Challenge, Dig It Mark II.
Take one here.
Take one.
Moving along the lunar landscape, coming into some regolith. Dig It moves into position and grabs one entire load. Once it's loaded at high speed, without accident, it's carrying the regolith up the 20-degree slope, basically sliding because the coefficient of friction is insufficient, but heading up to the collector, lowering and dumping in one wonderful movement, and then changing where the front end is to this side and coming back at high speed to the place where you have plenty of regolith. Chop chop, make it easy to pick up, and look at that. We're ready to do another cycle. This is a complete cycle showing within 30 seconds.